Pilots love seeing OSD statistics. Well, at least I do. You know, being able to see all the height within 120 meters, distance within line of sight, of course, and the various efficiencies. I love that. And now with a new Ruby FPV that has the OSD recording, we can see that. And there are a couple of ways to get that information back. So we have the Voxney OSD tool, we have the Sneaky FPV OSD tool, but unfortunately from my findings, none of these are good. So Voxney OSD tool, it works, but the UI is a bit outdated and it lacks some extra functions. I'm not a big fan of it. And then the Sneaky FPV tool is just didn't work for me at all. A couple of weeks ago, I got into vibe coding and I came up with this app. This app is called VueOSD and it works with every FPV system, to my knowledge. So DJI, Voxnail, Betaflight, P1, Cadex, Ascent, Ruby FPV, and in future Onyx FPV as well. It's not released yet. So on top left, you have the area to drag and drop your MP4 files, or you can browse for the file as well. The extra OSD and SRT are detected automatically and they just go in by themselves. So let's drag a file maybe in. So when you drop that in, just hit the refresh preview and here you have the video. You can see the video here. You can just, you know, pick the position that you want. So on the left you have the font selection area where you can pick the font that you want, or you can add extra new fonts. Here you have link status bar. So this is the extra information that is not included in the OSD file. For example, bitrate or the length of the video. Here you can control the opacity and the size. Okay, it worked before. Anyway, you can, this OSD doesn't have many statistics, just the voltage really. But yeah, you can pick the position of the OSD and the scale. On the right, you can pick the location to save the file. You can pick a different codec. There is the bitrate slider as well. The program itself, it automatically detects more or less the average bitrate of the video. That's why I have 8 megabits per second here, but you can opt that to, let's say, 15 because it's showing me here 15. So the highest bitrate was probably around that. And that's it more or less. Oh, and there's one cool feature. You can trim part of the video. So for example, if you only want to export this part, you can just do the sliders like that and just export whatever you want. There's built-in a video player as well, so you can just hit play and it should work. So maybe let's pick something short to export. There's a few more small things like the light theme, and you can customize this theme as well. Yeah, that's it more or less. You can upscale as well the video to up to 4K and just hit render when you're happy with everything. The rendering engine uses hardware acceleration, so if you have a good computer, you can use your video card. The software is available on GitHub. The link will be in the description below. The extra fonts can be downloaded from Sneaky FPV website. I'll leave the description down below in the description as well. A huge thanks to this guy for making the fonts. If you have any suggestions, let me know. If there are any bugs as well, let me know in the comments. But for me, the software has been working great, and I'm happy to share it with everybody, and hopefully, I can contribute something, at least for once, to the FPV world. Yeah, cheers guys, and see you next time.